Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Juanito Papito here with another video, and today we got the Grom out. Alright, we got all this lovely pollen. Don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, look at that. We got all this lovely pollen, and today we are going to be putting in a mount for my cell phone. This is the 7 Plus, I think. 7 Plus? 8 Plus? One of the pluses. So we're going to be putting it hopefully right here, and it is the Ram. What's up, Pop? Where is it? Focus up, focus up, focus up. It's a Ram mount. So, these bad boys. Using my lovely bush here as a desk. So I want to talk to you about this. I want to talk to you about this real quick. Alright, so I ordered this here off Amazon. Okay? This lovely piece. I was like, okay, cool. Great. I'm going to put this on my bike. Right? These are the instructions. So going through the instructions. I got this, I got that, I got all these pieces here. Right? So I'm going through it and I'm like, oh, okay, I got to do all this stuff. Got to put that like this, whatever. Then I realized, yo, that piece right there. I was like, that's not in my box. And I'm like, I can't do this. I'm trying to do this part right here where that arrow's pointing, but I can't do it. So I go through trying to install this entire thing, and then I realize that I can't because RAM makes it so difficult to a certain degree, where apparently they have a bunch of different kits. So I bought part of a kit, but it doesn't say that. It just says easy on and off X-grip mount assembly, and like it tells you the user guide and everything. So it doesn't say, hey, recommended to use with this or that part. So granted, you're probably gonna think I'm dumb. Okay, I rushed, I bought it, I just wanted to get it fast, and I was using Amazon Prime, so I'd get it delivered right away. So I ordered these bars that go onto the handlebars. This connects this piece to the back of this one. There's a connector, it's like a bridge. So we're gonna put all this together now and make it look nice. So let's go inside. We'll do this inside real quick. This little dining room table is gonna be my lovely workbench right now. So let's start taking things apart. See what we got to work here with. You can mount these to anything. Alright, so this is what I'm going for right here. I don't know how well you can see that. Okay, whatever. I won't focus in. So that's the look we're going for. Okay, so we're going to take this piece out. This listens up. Guessing there's no top or bottom rhyme or reason to this, so I'm just gonna put this one right in there. Listen this up some more. Alright, let's connect it to that. Up. Okay, so that's like that weird bridge connector, the phone mount, and then these three bars. And then it looks like you pick looks like you choose these depending on what kind of bars you have. Mine are pretty small, so I'm gonna go with this one. And then there's like this rubber piece that I'm assuming, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm wrong. Assuming it goes in like this. So you don't get so much vibration. And then I'm guessing this goes so far down that you can put these on there for aesthetics, so it doesn't look so dingy. So now that we got this pretty much figured out, we're gonna go. So basically, all these adapters and stuff that came with the original kit, which was just this RAM part, you don't need for what I'm doing. Alright, so this is how we're mounting it. So if you're looking here, it's a little sideways. I put that plastic spacer here for the U-bolt. So you got the U-bolt coming in here. It's gonna sit there. It kind of like interferes with this part here, but I mean, I plan on eventually getting different bars, so it shouldn't be an issue in the future. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna bolt this all up right now. Okay, so with the spacer, I got the bolts in. They don't look bad at all, to be honest with you. So I probably won't be needing these caps. Plus they won't even fit now. So I should be good. This is good. It's got a little wiggle room. I didn't have like the right tools to put that in, so I had to use one of these to put these on. I feel like nothing really reaches in there the right way. So now we just put the bridge part back on. We'll tighten this up a little bit. Use one hand. And then we'll put this mount back on and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright. And that is it on there. And that's a pretty quick and easy install. Once you order all the parts, just make sure you order the right kit. I tried being cheap. I only ordered the it was like a $20 or $30 kit, and that wasn't the right thing. So I was just editing this video and I realized that I did not close it out. So guys, until next time, stay tuned, drop a like, subscribe, follow, all the good stuff. Blow it up. I got an Instagram too. It's Juanos Rides, just like my handle on YouTube. So be sure to follow me there if you want to stay up to date on all my content. So I really hope you appreciated and liked this video. Be sure to show your appreciation right back. And until next time, peace out.